welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be an empty apartment tour. Now I say empty, it's not completely empty because we are renting this apartment and it actually comes, I mean they say furnished, we had to bring some of our own furniture, buy some of our own furniture so we could actually fit all our clothes in, and for example we needed to buy desks for work and things like that. But this is basically what the apartment looked like before we moved in. We actually got sent these clips from the letting agency so we could see what the apartment looked like, because we weren't actually able to get up to Manchester to do like a physical in-person viewing. But I thought, why not share these clips with you, show you what our apartment looks like before, and then I will be doing a full apartment tour with all our bits and bobs and everything that's currently inside at the moment. Really looking forward to seeing that video, but without further ado, I will let you watch the empty apartment tour. So as you open up and walk through the door, you will see our little hallway. The floors are really nice, and then you've got a little utility cupboard to the right. So the washing machine is currently sticking out there, but that actually goes underneath the hot water tank, which you will see in the full apartment tour. But that's just our little utilities cupboard with all the Wi-Fi and things like that inside as well. You then go to the right, you've got our kitchen, diner, living area. So we've got a sofa and a little table and nice long windows, and those doors actually open up to let air in. We've then got our little table and chairs, and you can see our kitchen in the distance there with our little breakfast bar and our two ovens. The top one actually works as a microwave as well. The kitchen itself is really nice sort of matte materials, although it is a bit tricky to clean, we've found. So as you come out of the kitchen, you turn right and you go into our bedroom. So you've got our bed and two bedside tables, and there's also a wardrobe included. We've had to bring drawers so we can fit all of our clothes in because the wardrobe is fairly small. So that's just our bedroom there with carpet as well, which is an added bonus. You then come out of the bedroom and go to the right, and we've got our bathroom, which is really lovely. The mirrors there actually open up into cabinets, and you've got our bath and rainfall shower, and it's just really finished to a really lovely quality. And yeah, that's basically it. So I hope you enjoyed this sort of mini video just showing you what our apartment looks like empty, and I will be sure to upload a full apartment tour very soon. So if you did enjoy this video, please make sure to give a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!